Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and you'll get a new update whenever I post a new video. So today I'm gonna show you how iPhone 8, iPhone 9, iPhone X Plus looks like. We're gonna unbox now. I just got it today from the Amazon. And it was delivered by another company there for transport. I don't remember the name. And this the iPhone. This is the iPhone, new iPhone. This is the baggage they brought for me. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. iPhone X Plus. I can feel the bag inside. Wow. This is the iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox iPhone. It's as easy as that. iPhone. So as you know, this is the menu I used to bring. We'll get this menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is the pin. We got the pin, same pin to unlock, and I'll go ahead and unlock an iPhone, open an iPhone. There you go, iPhone 9. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. And now this is the iPhone X Plus.